New gear sponsor. Today's video obviously is brought to you by Pando Motor Gear. So Pando was nice enough to send me out a full kit outside of boots, but I got gloves, jacket, pants, some padding and things like that. So I figured this would be a perfect time to make a video for them. And yeah, I've had these for a while. I haven't wanted to ride them because I needed to do this video. But anyways, they sent me some socks and this guy got a belt. Well, this is actually kind of decent. This is sick. That's cool. I like that. My belt's like a legit leather belt too, so it's sick. Let's do the gloves next. These are the Onyx Black 2. At least that's what the packaging says. Oh, these are cool. They're nice material. They're a little bit more breathable. You have like a little hard palm here. And yeah, those are nice looking gloves. You got padding in the fingers here, and then obviously your knuckle protection. Velcro strap, some more padding in the palm here. They sent me a large, which is snug, so once I break them in, they'll be perfect. And I really like the Velcro. The Velcro on my old gloves kind of sucked. I'm stoked to have new gloves, because those ones, they'd always come off, and it just felt like my wrist was cold and exposed, and sweet, these are sick. Oh, all right. A lot of padding, and it's all falling out. All right, it comes with a ton of D3O padding, which I am gonna put in there. These are like your very casual wear, kind of my style. A little baggier. They're really thick too, and it feels like a tough material. Little pockets here, 2 pockets on the side with some snaps. What's nice about these is when you're riding this, and your legs are like this, then the pockets are upright. And you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out of your pockets. Couple back pockets. You do have your side pockets here. Yeah, no, these are nice. Real tough. They're heavy. They're not light. I'm hoping that they're breathable. Here's how they fit. They're actually like pretty true to fit. I wear a 32. These are a 32. So they fit just like most of my other brands. Yeah, you got these pockets that are on an angle, but when your legs on your bike, they're still kind of angled down, so you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out, which is nice. They're comfy and they don't feel super insulated, a little bit, but I think they'll be fine for summer riding. All right, jacket. That was in a really nice cover. This is sick. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's leather, has a inner jacket, or sorry, an inner insulated liner, which we're gonna take out and put somewhere because I do not need an insulated liner. It is still summer. I was never the leather jacket guy, and I might not be. I haven't put it on yet, but this will be my riding jacket for the rest of the season. A little side pocket on the inside. There is some padding in the arms. Not a ton, but a little bit. Oh yeah, I feel like leather jacket guy for sure. I don't know if this is quite my style. Could have maybe gone one size up, but it's leather and leather will break in a little bit. It'll soften up. I don't think I'll ever zip this up all the way. So let me unzip this a little bit. A little more proper. Yeah, that's the jacket. Now I just have to find me a helmet sponsor. Oh yeah. Oh, also, I do have a back plate. I'm gonna try it on. It might be a little too tight, but honestly, I like having the back plate. Definitely feel safer with one. So I'm gonna throw this in there, throw the pads in the pants. Then we're gonna go for a ride and I'll tell you how I feel after the ride. And if you're curious of the other gear that I wear, the shoes that I'm wearing, they're these TCX, like real casual riding shoes. They've got a little bit of ankle support in here. There's an ankle padding right here. The soles are extra rigid and very durable, very strong. Waterproofing, good breathability in them, and I like them. Final thoughts on the gear. I've gotten to wear them for probably 10 plus rides. The jacket is a little bit softer now, so the jacket feels totally fine. Breathable pants, breathable jacket, without the liner anyway. The padding in the pants and jacket, you can barely tell it's there, which is nice. And after a handful of rides, I no longer feel any like restriction in mobility. It feels good. And the gloves, they broke in and they're perfect now. So shout out again to Pando for sending me out some gear. Their website link will be in the description below, so check that out. And yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks.